You looking for some dupes? Okay, I got you. I got you. You remember that glow that they sell at Sephora, Dollar Tree? You know, they brought it back in. Yes, they did, child. If I'm lying, I'm flying. Okay, check this out. All right, family. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Clifton, New Jersey. Let's see if they gonna have us move our feet to the beat. You think they gonna have us move our feet, honey? Put a 5 if you feel they gonna have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's go inside. When did Dollar Tree start selling this? Did you guys see this? The bubble tea. Child, you better looky cookie. With poppin' boba. Oh, child. Mixed berry. They just showing out. Then they also had this kettle. All right, habanero lamp. Child, you know what? They just showing out. Tell you something, this next item, even if you're not a huge fan, just hear me out. Just hear me out. You gotta try them. The Dutch apple pie. Ooh, tomorrow is the first. You know them stamps gonna be on that card. Listen, I'm coming to get me some of these. Okay, the apple pie. Now listen, Cape Cod, sweet mesquite, and then they also have the sweet and spicy jalapeno. They ain't doing nothing but showing out. Ain't doing nothing but showing out. My loves. If you are looking for a cream face mask, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Smooth and Hibiscus cream mask, copy. They also have the Hydrating Camellia Overnight cream mask with collagen, copy. Purifying green tea mask, $1.25. I love this because, you know, they have like 3 that you can choose from, and it's absolutely amazing. Now, they also have the OG out here. Yes, this is the OG. This is the Brighten Clay Face Mask with turmeric and honey. Nourishing Clay Face Mask with coconut and shea butter. And then they also have the Soothing Clay Face Mask with chamomile and sage. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have seen these gorgeous metal bow lanterns. Great for the holiday. These are $5. Really cool. Okay, have you guys seen this? This is an odor neutralizing and dessert oasis. This is $1.25. Oh, child, looky cookie. Now, if you like Dina, I need a good moisturizer. I mean, just the good old one. Now, is this one Olay? Compared to Olay, microsculpting cream, hydrate and moisturizer, $1.25. Ooh, child, you want to get this. Then they also had a revitalizing eye serum, $1.25, and a hydrate and night cream. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Tea Tree Power plus Caffeine B5 Revive. Child, compared to Amazon. Ooh, child. Now, the one that they sell on Amazon is $5. Dollar Tree had for $1.25. Now, Glow Up Hyaluronic Acid. Ooh, child, they done put this. All right, the Glow Up. Rice Ferment Night Booster. This is $1.25. And then they also have this right here. Honey, them names be naming, okay? Don't they be naming so big I can't even make out what the name is. Now, some other amazing serums. Definitely this one. This is Glow. It's so funny. I was just talking to a young lady earlier today, and we was in a previous Dollar Tree I was in, and we brought this up. This is absolutely amazing. Glowy, flowy. They also have the Melon Jelly Cleanser. Now, this is a Drunken Elephant dupe, okay? Sulfate free, glycerin, melon extract, $1.25. And now, of course, Dollar Tree would have the Paradise Breeze body and hair mist, also $1.25. You looking for some dupes? Okay, I got you. You remember that glow that they sell at Sephora, Dollar Tree? You know, they brought it back in. Yes, they did, child. If I'm lying, I'm flying. Okay, check this out. Now, excellent. And honey, it ain't gonna be no $30-something, okay? Dollar Tree has the Glow Up Toner. Love this stuff. I had purchased this. This was, I think, one of my dupe purchases when I first started doing these hauls. They also have the Glow Up Night Moisturizer. Instead of you paying $30, come on, honey, you better come on down here. They also have the Glow Up Serum. Really, really nice. And they, well, stocked, okay? I guess they just put this out. $1.25. Now, in other news, you still looking for the Drunken Elephant dupe? Whip Recovery Cream, $1.25. Okay, honey. They also have, honey, when it comes to the blemish control, oil-free clarifying cleanser, the Global Beauty is just global and out here. Okay, they just doing the thing like a chicken wing. Now, items that are really, really good is this makeup brush cleaner, bold gel. When I tell you, you want to clean them brushes, you get you one of these. They come in purple and they also have pink. Another tool that is really, really good to remove cuticles, it would be this one. I used to use this, but honey, that's not where it's at. This one is really, really good, $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for a French manicure collection, Dollar Tree definitely has them. This 12-piece press-on nails, $1.25. These, oh my goodness, honey, these were my thing. I just had these on a few days ago. 12 pieces, $1.25. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these press-on nails as well. These are gorgeous. I just wish the top probably was like gold or so. They also have these. Love this. Really, really cute. And another hit is the LA Colors. This is the Dreamy Delight. Now, what I love about this is the Dole lip liner. You see how it has that ombre effect? Really, really nice. And honey, your lips will look like that. I had purchased, I think I do have the Dreamy one. And then they also had a Pure Magic gel. Dollar Tree is out here moving. Then they also have some more fashion nails. Oh, I like these. 12 for $1.25. Now, if you're looking for wipes, of course, Dollar Tree got the wipes. This is the cherry pie. They also have the a honey apple. Also, the strawberry shortcake. Oh, my goodness, child. I could go for a piece of strawberry shortcake now. Honey, they have so many items. Now, if you're looking for a facial cleanser, the Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel with hyaluronic acid compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost, $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for patchy patches that is going to remove the acne, okay, well, just going to get rid of the inflammation, I absolutely love these. These are acne patches by Orchid, non-medicated. You get 24 of these, okay, reduces inflammation, and then they also have the heart ones. Now, me personally, I like the clear ones, but honey, this would definitely do. Really good. Now, if you guys are looking for food storage containers for your little one, Dollar Tree has it. Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Garfield, Smurfs, Winnie the Pooh. Another name brand is the Cozy Place. Citrus, Blossom, and Bamboo. Really, really good. Scent lasts up to 160 hours. You know what? I take them, for their word, because that plug-in, the refill, oh my goodness. Honey, it's like the train that just keep on going. Now, they also have the Cozy Wizard Amber. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here slaying. Ain't playing. These are $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have the dishwasher detergent, cuts, grease, and Arm & Hammer baking soda, citrus. Let us know in the comment section if you guys use this. 7 uses. Now, a cleaning item that I like, it would definitely be this. Now, this is supposed to be the dupe of, I believe, Method. And yes, Method is absolutely amazing. This is good. I like this. Cleaner and degreaser spot remover. Good. They also have the lavender. And of course, this is from Awesome, okay? $1.50. Oh, I absolutely love these mugs. They are huge. Oh, these are so good. Now, I believe these are $1.50. They have the white one. Honey, this not like your standard size mug. You see how wide this thing is? They also have the gray one. Love this. All right, family. Now listen, let us know in the comment section, what was your favorite item? They had so many items back there. Oh my goodness. Honey, it was the bubble tea for me. Thinking I'm in the Asian market? Chill. They out here slaying and definitely ain't playing. Now, what else they had? Oh my goodness, so many new amazing finds at Dollar Tree. Oh, they delivering for you and me. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you let us know in the comment section, what was your favorite item, okay? And what are some of the items you definitely are on the lookout for? With that being said, until next time, in due time, I'll catch you good folks on the next one. Peace.